Hello everyone, we are from GoPBLEF 4PA05 and today we would like to present our project Aksara, which stands for Akses Komunikasi Orang Tua dan Sekolah. Aksara is a web-based school management system designed to bridge the communication gap between schools and parents. My name is Muhammad Rizky Febrian and together with Tito Putra Pratama under the supervision of our project manager Ibu Nur Zahrati Jannah, Eskom MSc. Let's start with the context behind Aksara. In many schools today, three things still happen the old way. Communication between school and parents relies heavily on instant messaging apps such as WhatsApp group chats, which is unstructured and easy to miss. Attendance is still recorded manually, which is time-consuming and prone to errors. And parents have little to no visibility into their children's daily activities at school. This brings us to one clear conclusion: a web-based system is needed to integrate all school-to-parent communication into a single centralized platform. And that's exactly the problem we're addressing. These gaps create three specific pain points. First, there is no centralized communication, which makes information scattered and hard to manage. Second, manual attendance and documentation process that leads to error and wasted time. And third, limited accessibility, which makes user cannot get information anytime from any device. These are the challenges that motivated us to build Aksara. So, how does Aksara respond to these challenges? We respond to these challenges through four core features such as attendance management to digitize and streamline the process, activity documentation to keep school records organized in one place, announcement to ensure information reaches parents instantly, and class schedule accessible anytime from any device. Aksara brings all of this together in one platform.
Okay, on this slide, we use the Scrum methodology for the system development. There are several main stages such as the product backlog, where we list all the system requirements, and sprint planning, where we dedicate feature for each sprint, and the sprint develop the system, and the daily Scrum, check daily progress, and the sprint review, evaluate the result, and the sprint retrospective, improve the next sprint. On this slide, we explain the application architecture such as the front end. We use the Laravel Blade and the Tailwind CSS to create a responsive interface, and the back end we use the Laravel to handle API, system logic, and authentication. And the database we use the MySQL to store data, and we use the GitHub for the version control and the team collaboration. Okay, next. On this slide, we explain the project progress. The 100% complete, and we successful identify all the system requirement, and the key feature for the priorities and the implementation, and the use story to cover for the three actors: admin, teacher, and parents. And the next, we complete all the 8 sprint successful and complete, and the full development to scope active as planned, and the process testing and UAT sign off stage. Again, we complete the sprint, such as the sprint 1, system setup, sprint 2, user data management, sprint 3, activity documentation, and the sprint 4, school announcement, sprint 5, attendance module, and the sprint 6, parents dashboard, and the sprint 7, class schedule, and the sprint 8, refinement and testing. Okay, thank you very much for your attention.